As the CEO of Edmund Optics, I'm thrilled to invite you to the upcoming Optica event taking place in Edmund Optics, Florida, home of our Laser Optics Center in Oldsmar, Florida. April is an exceptional time to be in Florida, and I'm looking forward to some sunshine. We have a great lineup of speakers coming to the event, as well as ample time for all of us to connect and discuss current challenges in our industry. It's not just people's attention spans that are getting shorter. We're seeing many laser applications moving to both shorter UV wavelengths and shorter ultra-fast pulse durations. We're also seeing a move to higher powers, which forces us and the rest of our industry to evolve to support this next generation of laser systems. I'm looking forward to these conversations, as well as how we transition laser optics innovations from the lab to the industry. Don't miss this event, and I'll see you in April.